Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I am going to guide you that how you can add overlays or filters in your video in WonderShare Filmora video editor. So for this, go to the WonderShare Filmora and bring the video you want to add overlays or filters in. Drag it to the software. And now click this and drag it down. See, when I click on play button, so if you want to add overlay, there are many options. You have to select overlay, click on overlay, and there are so many overlays. You can select any one you want to add in your video. You can click on this add project, or you can simply drag it down like in this way and see. So this is how you can add overlay. There are many options like light leaks pack, lens flare pack, Vogue pack, old film pack. You can select any and you can use it in your video. Like I'm using this one. So see. So this. So if you want to add or reduce the time duration, you can do this like this. Click here with the help of mouse, move it to add duration or reduce duration. You can also delete unwanted overlays with the help of mouse. Simply right click here and then left click on delete option. It will be deleted. So for filters, similarly you can click on filters. Like I'm using this fire filter. Simply you can add on project or drag this down. You have both options. Now see there is the fire filter over there. You can move it your according to your choice. Like I click on the filter or overlay option like this way, move it, drag it anywhere. Like I want to insert this filter here, so I'm inserting this here. See this is. So similarly, if I want to add the duration or reduce the duration, I can do it. And after this work, if you want to save this file, you can click on export button and click on export. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.